How to sign in into Slack on phone. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Slack. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Slack and click on install. Now wait for some time. After the app is installed, tap on open. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap on sign in. Now you have two options. You can choose any of them. Now select your Google account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.